Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to the Dolly Room. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have a box of these cute little Blythe doll figurines. You can see I've already opened it. I actually, believe it or not, I opened this. I thought I was filming. I opened one up and then I was like, girl, you didn't hit the little red button. Okay. So I opened up one already. And it was a duplicate. It was the one I have. I had this little chickaroo here. So I already had her. So I wrapped her up and I sent her off to somebody as a little giftie. Okay, I was sending them something in the mail anyway. You may see her out and about on another channel. Okay. And then, in fact, before I sent that person off, I opened up this other one because I was like, well, let me just open one more and look at the card inside, because that's the thing is with these little blind boxes, when you open them up, there's a card in here, and I'll show it to you here in a minute, but I'll show it to you after I open this up. But there's a card in here that shows one of these on it, and that's the actual doll that's in the box. So it kind of ruins the surprise if you want to be surprised. Okay. And there's one particular doll that I have, and she is not here. I think I took her to my office at school. And so I thought, well, let me just see if this one doll pops up, because I'll send that person this other doll too, and it didn't. And anyway, so here I am now with this big box full. Okay. I'm not going to open every single one of these on camera, but I am going to open one up today to share with you. And yeah, when I originally bought the first three that I have, in fact, do I have three? I have that one. No, I guess I have four. So no, there's three I bought and one somebody gave me. So that's why I have four. But when I bought the first grouping, they were very inexpensive, and I just got them as a whim. And then when I got them, I realized how adorable they were, and I wanted to get more. And then I tried to find more, and they were quite a bit more, much more expensive. So they actually, by the time I was pricing how much they cost individually, I've realized I could just buy the whole bundle on AliExpress, get them all, and then the ones that I have duplicates of, I'll just give to people. Okay, so because I would like the entire collection. And in fact, here's on the top of the box, it shows you there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's 8. There's 8 different little dolls, little figurines, okay? And so far I have the one I just showed you, the girl with the little doggy here in the center. I've got the doggy one. I've got the one with the camera. She's at school. And who else do I have? Oh, this chick here with the little, it's just a sport girl with the purple hair and in the bag. I guess maybe she's supposed to be going to play tennis or something like that. All right, so I'm just going to grab one of these that I haven't opened up yet. Okay, here's the little boxes that they come in. I know you have probably seen these before on the internet, on YouTube. Let me open it up. And I'm not going to look at the card because I don't want to know, okay? So I'm going to try not to look at the card. Look away. Okay. Put that box over there. Please don't be a duplicate. Well, somehow I'm going to get duplicates, right? Because supposedly they're all supposed to be in that box. All right. There's a little... No, there's no little tear thing. Okay. Let me get scissors. All right. I'm gonna cut it off like here so that if I re-gift it, I can pop it in here and the person gets a little bit of surprise. It's the chick with the dog. Dang it. I want to be surprised. I want one I don't have yet. Look how cute she is. Okay, so here she is, the doll with the dog. Where's the, oh, okay. And then they all come with a little stand, if you don't know. And the stand goes in the back of their bods. Like that. And they stand up pretty well once you get them on the stand. They do stand up pretty well. Whoops, and then now she just fell over, of course. So yeah, this is super cute. Here she is with the doll, the doggy. and her little stand. But yeah, so I have all the rest. I mean, eventually there's got to be some here that I don't have, right? So I have 4 of the 8. So there's 4 more in here that I don't have. So looking forward to getting those. Like I said, I want all of them. I can't really say there's one that I like the most, but I really like the camera girl. She's really cute. This shopping girl looks really, all of these look cute. All of them look cute. I can't pick. Sorry, just can't do it. All right, guys, so I'll open up another one in another video. Let me know your thoughts on these cutie patootie little figurines down in the comments below. As usual, give this a thumbs up. Have a wonderful dollar day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.